You're listening to Soundside. I'm Libby Denkman. We do this thing called the Sounds of the Northwest. We invite field recordists to share sounds that we think are exemplary of the Pacific Northwest. And a frequent contributor, Gordon Hempton, a.k.a. the Sound Tracker, shared this one.
I've been thinking about what is the sound that handles both eastern and western Oregon and Washington, and everybody is familiar with, hopefully, and yet has a lot to say. I think the Pacific chorus frog. Two, three. Of every sound that I've heard in the Pacific Northwest, I think the Pacific chorus frog is the one which is most widely recognized and most evenly distributed over the state, as far as occurring probably in every county. The Pacific chorus frog has also taught me an important lesson. Notice it plays in a quiet place, so we can hear the frogs completely. We can hear the difference between each frog. They aren't all the same. How it defines the living space around us. That this is a shared space, our sound environment. You cannot make the decision all by yourself that you want peace and quiet. It's a decision you have to make together.
Thanks for listening to Soundside. Don't forget you can listen live on KUOW 94.9 Seattle at noon and 8 p.m. Monday through Thursday, or anytime right here online at KUOW.org, or of course on your favorite podcast app.